Okay, so this is the entrance area. There's 2 doors. That's Cynthia. This will be where the front desk area is going to be. And this is the staff room. Goes all the way to the back. Lunchroom. And this is the child minding area. And back there is the men's and ladies' bathrooms. There's no light, so I can't go in there, but it's really big. And this whole area here is the lounge waiting area to get into the hot rooms. So the big hot room, the main hot room, starts here. And then the second room is just behind it. As you can see, there's another room just to the other side of that wall. And everybody's going to come out over here. This is the wet area where you drop off your mats when you first come out of the hot rooms. You can enter the change rooms. And then you're back at the lounge area.